Hi, good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Absolutely fine. How are you?
Today we have the pleasure of having Mr. Neeraj Garg, Director at VNS International Private Limited with us. Sir, how are you this fine morning?
Absolutely fine.
So could you tell me about this more about this experience center? What all products are on display here, and then we can delve into more.
Sure. This is HP world's first experience center on HP Z workstations and Z tower workstation as well as mobile workstations. So we here showcase the entire portfolio of mobile workstations. Like this is HP ZBook Firefly. Then we have got a series called HP Z Food G5 series. And we have divided the entire experience center into different zones. So each zone caters to different industry vertical, how that vertical uses these devices to get outputs which they want. Like this is media entertainment zone. We on the right hand side we have product development design zone where customers use these devices to basically design the product virtually and then iterate it and then come out with a final product. Going ahead on the right hand side, we have creators zone where we have demonstrated devices which help creators create their own content. Right behind you is architecture, engineering, and construction zone, where we are showcasing how these devices help to create good designs for engineers and everything. Also, we have a gaming zone where game developers can use these devices to make designs, games, and other things.
This is called the Z Arcade, next level of gaming and development.
So this zone is called this. We do have a setup upstairs about VR where we demonstrate VR as a technology. And we also have a small setup here called Tinkerworks where we upgrade and downgrade the machine as and when the customer is trying to evaluate the machine. So what if he requires a higher GPU or a higher RAM memory or a higher compute power, we just upgrade or downgrade the machine then and there, show him the result. And by the time he is out of this center, he is ready with his bill of material, which will work for his requirement.
So we provide customization depending on client requirements as well, right?
Absolutely. We customize entire stack of HP workstations and mobile workstations as per the requirement of the customer, and we ensure that by the time customer goes out of the center, he is fully aware what hardware, what specification is going to work for him to give him the right result in the right time.
Amazing, sir. So any new products on the horizon that we can look forward to from Z-Works, new workstations, anything like that?
So now we are having a complete rollover happening for our mobile workstation stack. Instead of ZBook Firefly, we'll have a new series called HP ZBook 8, G1i and G1a will be Intel and AMD based. These are 14-inch and 16-inch, very lightweight, portable mobile workstations with ADA graphic cards. Again, on one step higher, we have a series called ZBook Power, which is getting rollover to ZBook X. Similarly, in entry tower workstations, we are switching over from Z1 G9 and Z2 G9 to Z1 G1i and Z2 G1i, which are the latest in Core Ultra processors. Would go up to 1200 watt power supplies and even accommodate highest GPUs available in the market, like Maxwell 96 RTX Pro, as well as 5090 32 GB graphics on GeForce platform. So all the graphic cards available today in the market would be easily supported in our rollover workstations.
You mentioned Blackwell. So with the advancements in AI and the huge requirement for compute GPUs now, have you seen the demand grow with the advancements and the buzz that AI has created?
The demand is going up. In fact, now not only IT guys, like earlier only CIOs, CTOs used to talk about AI, but these days we have small SMEs and even freelance customers talking about AI. Everybody using AI in their day-to-day activities. All companies are investing into AI devices to ensure that they, if not develop, at least they use the AI tools which are available in the market today to get the best results and best output for their organizations. And because of that, we are seeing tremendous demand in high GPU based devices, and Nvidia is making a lot of money out of it these days.
So I personally met Jensen at the NVIDIA Summit, and I asked him a question. India is a very price sensitive market, and how do you think mass adoption in a price sensitive market like India would take place? Now we have these huge devices with extreme power, but still Indian consumer remains a little price sensitive. So what are your thoughts on same?
So I would say जो दिखता है वो बिकता है यानी Indian market, Indian customers do not decide by what is published. They go by what their peers have been using, what they recommend them to use, and what results they can see using those devices. So here, everybody wants to touch and feel and have the experience of the product. If they are getting the results they are wanting, then all Indians are good enough. They have got very deep pockets to spend.
That's an
So
interesting.
that is the very reason that we have come up with such a center where we are trying to showcase them the entire power of workstations and mobile workstations to ensure that they get what they are looking for.
That's
And,
very
and we have got very good breakthroughs from here. We have got customers who have just walked in and bought workstations with 96 GB Blackwell GPU also with 6000 ADA 48 GB GPU, spending 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs on the spot for a workstation. So that's how people do take out money if they get what they are looking for.
So maybe that's a very interesting take. You mentioned correctly that maybe it's not a price sensitive market, but a quality sensitive market.
Yes,
We look
absolutely.
for what we are buying, and once we have that trust, we definitely go for it.
That definitely matters. So once they see exactly what they are buying, what the output that device is going to give, and they are see the entire setup and everything, so they feel confident that they are buying, they are investing in the right product and just not getting maybe taken away by some word or some nomenclature on paper.
Definitely, the experience center does help in that, giving the
Definitely.
consumer the trust and ensuring that they are purchasing the right product.
Absolutely.
So talking about VNS now, from what we have heard, anything new on the horizon from VNS HP joint front?
Yes, there's good news coming in. After establishing VNS high-end compute business in North India, where we are catering to different regions in North India from Delhi, we are soon launching our setup in Calcutta to cater to entire East Indian market. That market is which has been till now deprived of technology players and technology showcase. So we are opening a setup in Kolkata to cater to 7 northeast states plus Bihar, Orissa, West Bengal, and Jharkhand. So we'll cover all these 11 states where we'll be working hand in hand with the T3 partners and system integrators to take workstation-based solutions and AI solutions to end customers. We'll showcase the portfolio. We'll give them training on these technologies. We will handhold their end customer leads to ensure we all win together. So this is going to be the next step where we will ensure that entire North, after North India, entire East India is covered well, and also takes advantage from the AI boom which is happening now.
So that's amazing news to hear that VNS is now going to cater 7 sister plus the 4 states, making it a total of 11.
Yes.
So would that center be a similar center, the one that we're experiencing right now?
Initially, we are getting into opening up a office infrastructure as well as a demo center. Once we are able to scale up this business to a level that we do get queries for customers to walk in and experience the portfolio. So we have plans to open up a center maybe 2-3 quarters down the line.
That is good news for all the people in Northeast India and Eastern India. That VNS is coming up with HP with all the latest products to cater you all. Any last thoughts for the IT Voice audience?
No, only thing I would say, AI revolution is here, and there's nothing to be worried about. AI is here to stay and help humanity rather than take away jobs which people feel. So I would say embrace AI and adopt AI.
Thank you for your time and thank you for sharing your thoughts
Welcome.
with us.
Welcome. Right.